Back to work, Cornwall Regional Hospital nurses end sick out after high-level meeting. Good evening and thanks for joining us for primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, more hospital woes. Political representatives seeking government intervention at public health facilities in St. Catherine.
Store up, NWC warns of depleting water supply in several parishes.
Suspended. A former National Security Minister suspended from Rifle Association.
Back to the polls. May announces by-election date for Greater Portmore North Division.
And in the financial week, dissatisfied, a leading company executive is lamenting the annual tax packages that governments have delivered over the years.
There's also international stories, our bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But first, the feedback question.
Are you satisfied with the authorities' response to the air quality crisis at Cornwall Regional Hospital?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.